So here's my fix for the Samsung dryers that do not shut off until you open the door. And it won't shut off when you hit the power. I just fixed this one again, but it'll keep doing this. The problem is this relay that'll stick. So what I've found is you unplug everything and put it back together, and usually it'll work. If it doesn't, then what you do is leave everything plugged in except for this relay, and that it'll be running. You unplug that relay, just tap it, hit all your buttons, and when you put it back on, if it starts back up, then you haven't reset it yet. If it put this back in and it doesn't do anything, then you're good to go. And these all can only go in one, in their corresponding thing. So this is how I do it. I leave these two screws off. That way when this will happen randomly, I just lift this forward. Then come back here. I don't even screw this back in anymore. And all you have to do is come in, unplug that one, hit all your buttons, plug it back in. If it comes back on, you haven't done it right, and then unplug it, hit all the buttons again, and then just flick that one relay. Be careful because there is power coming to the bottom of those. If you don't know anything about it, no, blah 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 blah. Kill yourself at your own risk. I've been doing this for about 2 years rather than buying a $200 boulder. And I just set that there. I just leave this. And then this thing, I just set it back in there. Once this is down, it'll stay there. I've never had any problem with it. Okay. It's not until you pull it all the way forward. So then when you turn it on, it should be able to start and stop.